Let me ask you one question. Why two people with same education, same city, same degree? One becomes rich and happy. Second is always stressed and broke. Answer is not luck. Answer is inside your head. Your mind has two parts. 10% is conscious mind, what you are using now to listen to me. 90% is subconscious mind, like background apps in your phone running 24 hours even when you sleep. Joseph Murphy says your subconscious mind is like soil. Whatever seed you give, it will grow. If you give fear, it will grow fear. If you give confidence, it will grow confidence. Let's start. The book was written by Joseph Murphy, named Power of Subconscious Mind. In 1963, he was a doctor and priest. He says he saw 1,000 of people who healed just by changing thoughts. Your subconscious mind never sleeps. It accepts everything you tell it with feeling. It does not argue like your conscious mind. Example, if conscious mind is captain of ship, subconscious mind is engine room. Captain says go east, engine goes east. Captain says we will sink, engine also goes to sink. Captain decide, engine follows. Problem is we daily tell engine I am tired, I have no money, I have tension, and engine says okay boss, I will give you more tiredness. Today we will change captain order. There are some laws. Law 1, law of belief. Whatever you believe deeply becomes true for you. Example, your mother says if you go out in cold, you will catch cold. You believe 100%. Next day, you really get cold. Not because of cold air, but because belief ordered subconscious to make cold. Example 2. Two students for same exam. First thing, exam is very tough, I will fail. Second thing, I have studied, I will do my best. Both studied same, but first one will forget answer in tension, second will remember belief control body. Law 2, law of subconscious always says yes. Your conscious never says this is wrong. If you say I am unlucky, it says yes and bring more bad luck to prove you right. Example, you have 1,000 rupees left. You keep saying money is finished. What will I do? Subconscious says yes and block new ideas. If you say money is coming, God will make way, subconscious starts searching ideas. YouTube video, freelance work, old friend call. So rule, never say what you don't want, always say what you want. Speak each technique 3 to 4 minutes with example. This will make 40 minutes. Technique 1, affirmation technique for confidence. How to do? Repeat short positive sentence morning and night with feeling. Wrong way, I don't want to be poor, I don't want to fail. Subconscious only hears poor, fail. Right way, I am rich, I am confident, I am healthy. Your life example. You want to start YouTube but fear my English is bad, people will laugh. Daily morning 10 times look in mirror and say I speak simple and clear. People like my video. Do for 7 days. On day 8 fear will be 50% less. I did same. Technique 2, visualize. for dreams. Subconscious does not know real versus imagination. If you imagine with feeling, it think it's real and work to make it real. A young man wanted to go to Australia but no money. Every night before sleep, he imagined he is touching Australia soil, feeling sun. He made it feel real. After few months, his company sent him to Australia for free. Example, you want 1 lakh subscriber. Daily night 5 minutes, close eyes, see your channel showing 100K. See confidence. Bhai, your video changed my life. Feel happy. Smile in imagination. Your mind will start giving you better titles, better energy. Technique 3. Thanking technique for money. Poor mind asks, rich mind thanks. Instead of please give money, say thank you God, I am rich. Money comes to me easily. You have example, you have rupees 500. Most people cry. Rich minded person says thank you for this 500. It is useful. More is coming. When you thank, tension goes. When tension goes, brain thinks clearly and find new income. Technique 4. Mental movie for fear. Fear is just a movie you play in mind. Failure movie. Change movie. If you fear interview, don't play movie where interviewer shouts. Play movie where interviewer smile. Your answer calmly. You get selected. Do this 10 minutes before sleep for 3 nights. 1 interview day. Your body will feel I have already done this. It's easy. Like Virat Kohli visualize century before match. Same technique. Technique 5. Healing technique for body. Many small diseases get worse because of worry. Joseph Murphy says, talk to your body like a child. If you have acidity, daily before sleep, keep hand on stomach and say slowly, my stomach is calm, my body is healing, I am perfect. Imagine cool water flowing inside. Example, a woman had skin allergy for 2 years. Doctor gave creams. No result. She started saying daily, my skin is clear and beautiful. Thank you. After 1 month, allergy reduced 70%. Mind affect skin, stomach, heart. This is not replacement for doctor medicine. Do medicine plus this mind technique. Technique 6. Sleep technique, most powerful. Time before sleep is golden time. Your conscious guard sleep, subconscious door open. What you see last before sleep, subconscious plays whole night. Mistake we all do. Scrolling Instagram, reels, news, fight with wife, then sleep. So whole night subconscious run fear movie. New routine. Last 5 minutes before sleep, no phone, just say 3 good things happened today. Plus your one dream visualize, your whole night will reprogram. Technique 7. Wealth belief clearing. Why you are not rich even with hard work? Because inside you think money makes people bad. Rich people are cheaters. If you hate money, money will hate you. So change it. Write on paper, money is good. Money give me freedom to help my parents. I love money and money loves me. Stick on wall. Example, Two shopkeepers. One thing, customer comes to bargain, waste time. He gets irritating customers. Second thing, customer is Lakshmi. Customers feel good energy and buy more. Technique 8. Relationship healing technique. Never go to sleep angry. If you fought with mother, friend before sleep, imagine you both are happy, laughing, eating together. Feel it real. Don't argue in imagination. Imagine happy ending. Within 2 to 3 days, you will become soft, and when you become soft, other person also become soft. Relationship is mirror of your inner movie. Example, husband wife fight daily. Wife start this technique daily night. Imagine husband is kind and loving. After few days she stops taunting. Her face becomes calm. Husband automatically become kind. Technique 9. The what if reversal. We always do negative what if. What if I fail? What if he leaves? What if I lost money? Reverse, say reverse. What if I succeed? What if I become better than expected? What if money comes from 3 places? Your brain will start searching proof for positive what if. Technique 10. Writing technique for overthinking. Subconscious loves writing. Take diary, daily night write 10 times your wish, like school homework, I am successful YouTuber, I am successful YouTuber. After 10 times, write 5 things you are grateful to today. This writing bypasses doubting conscious mind and goes direct to subconscious mind. Technique 11. Idea before sleep for problem. If you have a problem, YouTube not growing money problem, don't worry whole day. Before sleep say my subconscious knows answer. Tomorrow morning it will give me idea, then sleep peacefully. Morning, when you wake up you will get sudden idea in bathroom or while tea. 90% inventor goes idea like this. Edison, Tesla all use this. Technique 12. Age technique. You are not old. Many people after 40 says no, my memory is gone, I am old. Subconscious says yes and makes memory weak. Say I am getting better with age, my mind is sharp, my experience is my power. Your energy will change. Mistakes that stop everything. Mistake 1. Using word no, not, never. Subconscious delete no. If you say I don't want tension, it hears tension. Always say I am peaceful. Mistake 2. Trying too hard, doubting. You do affirmation one day and check why not result. Like you plant seed and dig every hour to check if tree grew. Don't do technique and forget. Trust the soil, work will happen in background. Mistake 3. Talking negative with friends. You do positive morning, then whole day with friends. Yeah, life is waste, government is bad, everything expensive. Your 5 minute positive is destroyed by 5 hours negative talk. Be careful who you talk to. Talk less negative. Talk less negative. Now I will give you exact formula I use. Do for 7 days, then comment result. Night formula 2 minute. Step 1. For 30 seconds, close your eyes, say slowly 3 times, my body is relaxed, my mind is calm. Step 2, 60 seconds, visualize your one wish as already done, see it, feel it. If you want money, see money message rupees 10,000 credited, feel happy. Step 3, 30 seconds. Say thank you God, it is done, thank you, and sleep. Don't touch phone after this. Morning routine. First